Hello, welcome to another video of Luisa Bakes with me, Luisa, and today I'm gonna show you how to make this easy and delicious tiramisu. For the ingredients we need 32 ounces of mascarpone, 1 pint of heavy cream, 2/3 of a cup of eggnog, half a cup of white sugar, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 1 teaspoon of almond extract, 21 ladyfinger cookies, 1/3 of a cup of baking cacao powder, and 3 cups of strong coffee. Okay, so let's start. The first step is to whisk the mascarpone. After it's all softened, we're gonna add the heavy cream and let it whisk for another 2 minutes. So now that it's really creamy, we're gonna add the rest of the ingredients for the filling. So we're gonna add the eggnog, the sugar, vanilla extract, and the almond extract. And give it a little stir for another 1 minute. So now that the filling is ready, we're gonna start preparing the first layer. So now what we're gonna do, we're gonna take a ladyfinger, dip it in the coffee, and place it in the mold. Repeat this step until the whole surface is covered. Then we're gonna add a layer of filling. And repeat these steps for the second layer. So the last step is to sieve the cacao powder on the top. So now that the tiramisu is ready, we're gonna let it rest in the fridge for at least 3 hours. So now the tiramisu is ready. Unfortunately, I cannot send this to you per mail because I think it's not gonna reach you safe and sound. Thanks for watching. I hope you liked this video. Give me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you guys next week. And remember, baking is happiness.